Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to learn more about libraries. At first, let me tell you something. I am a lazy person, and when I start coding, I just thought how I could write all this line of codes, 5,000, 6,000, or a lot more, 50,000 line of code. How to do that? Until then, I know about the libraries. Something important about libraries is that with them, you don't need to write a lot of code. You can use a line of code that another person write for you. Okay, we have many libraries in the beginner course. I show you two libraries, names random, names which I say math. These are two of Python's library. They are installed when you install Python, they are on the Python. But we have some libraries that are not in the Python. We need to install them. Like what? Like Pandas. Or NumPy. Pandas is a fast, powerful, flexible, and easy Python library. It's very useful and good to use because what and why we use it. Okay, let's create an example. Think about you have an Excel full of data and you want to import them in your code and do some data management on them. One thing you can do it's that you try to write all of the code on yourself, but it has two problems. One, it's not the fastest way. Two, it's not accurate. But we can use library. By using library Pandas, it's an accurate and it's faster than what you think. How we can use it? We can just import Pandas. The Colab has Pandas installed, but if you use another, ideally for coding, you need to install Pandas by writing pip install Pandas. And when you run it installs. You go to your CMD and write pip install Pandas. Okay, let's go to Python. Oh, I didn't install Python here. I have the Python in Jupyter Notebook. Okay, we have it on Anaconda. Okay, let's open Anaconda. You can write it on your Python CMD if you install Python, but I install it from Jupyter and Anaconda. Okay, let's write it. Pip install, for example, Pandas. It said that this library is installed and you don't need to install it again. But for example, let's go for one library I don't have. Okay, let's search Python libraries. I have all of them, but let's see, is there anything I don't have? I have Cross, Matplotlib, TensorFlow, PyTorch. Let's try scikit-learn. I think I don't have it. Oh, sorry, I didn't write it right. Pip install Py. Oh, okay, it's installed also. Let's see what we don't have. We have all of them, I think. I don't have Plotly, I think. Let's install it. Pip install Plotly. Oh, I have it too. But I have some kind of thing that I refer you to do it. It's better, faster, and way more easier than installing all of this with pip. You can just search download Anaconda, and by installing that, you let's go here. It didn't give us access. By going that and installing all the things like Jupyter. Okay, I write it wrong. Jupyter, Spider. Spider is one of Anaconda's ideally. They all install for you, and some of important libraries also like let me here. We have NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, scikit-learn, SciPy, Keras, PyTorch, Tensor. These five, I think these four installed by SciPy, but we installed Keras, PyTorch, TensorFlow, and another one. And a thing I want you to prefer to do is that use collab. Why? Because for installing some libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, we don't need much space. We can install them by 20 meg or 30 meg. But by installing something like TensorFlow, they are really huge. They gain more than 1 gig of storage, as I think, or more. And the libraries are going to choose something heavily. Okay. Today I tell you why the libraries is important. In this course, we will going to learn about NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, scikit-learn, and TensorFlow. We are going to data science and creating AI, machine learning, and a little scrappy. And one of the libraries I love very much, and it's not here. Let's see if we can install a Spider. Okay, it gives us some error. And a Spider, we use it in the next lessons. They are the libraries that we are going to use to write some project. In the first project, I want to, after the first project, tell you more about Pandas, NumPy, or class object oriented models or anything else. But for now, I just jump into our first project. What is our first project? Let's go to YouTube. As you can see, let's go. Okay. I don't want to sing in. Okay. It's something like this. For example, I don't know what is happening. Okay. For example, this YouTube channel uploaded a video and it has some comments. 32 comments. We want to write a code that copy all of the comments and put them back into our code. Not something like this, more beautiful and accurate. And then we want to do something more and more specific on them. This is one of the projects I want to do. And another one that is more important, I want to tell you how to use Pandas to create and change Excel's data. Okay, it's for today. Have a nice day until tomorrow.